Namaste Yogis, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. Thank you so much for stopping by our YouTube channel. So today is the day 6 of the happiness series. So till now you have been practicing yoga with us. We are extremely grateful for that. And during today's session we have to do a particular flow of asanas which will target the entire body from head to toe. And if you feel like coming down in any of the poses, you can definitely take some rest and get back to your practice once again. So let's see how the body responds. I'll be giving you the instructions. So let's get started. So we are going to begin by stretching our wrist, because wrist will be very much required for today's session. From Vajrasana itself, we will first stretch our wrist. So you may just reverse your palms. Your fingers are pointing towards your body. Let's stay over here. See if you can keep your elbows straight. Let's not keep them bent like this. For a few seconds, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this position itself, let's start going back and forth. So you have to touch your heels with your hips and just go back and forth for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently reverse your palms, and once again we will take rest on our heels. So there's a possibility that the lower part of the palms get lifted up. It's okay, because right now we are working on the forearm and the wrist. Try to keep your elbows straight for a few seconds. And let's start going back and forth now for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently come back to the base position. And from here itself, you can just adjust your body as per your body, of course. And let's take our palms a little in front of us, and your spine has to be pushed in as we go into the mountain. See if you can press the heels against the floor. If they are like this, see if you can at least press the knees back. So you have to take your knees back and you have to rest your heels on the floor. If you feel like keeping them off the ground like this, not a problem. For few seconds, stay over here. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you breathe in, let's take our right foot between the palms, and the back knee will not touch the floor right now. Stay over here for another few seconds. So you have to keep lengthening your back knee, back leg. So it should not bend like this. Let's straighten up the left leg. Keep breathing normally in the pose. And from here itself, right now the toes are on the floor, so you may now lift the left leg up and place the back toes on the floor. So you are simply placing the outer part of your foot on the floor and hold. It's extremely good for the ankles especially. This way you can make this pose a little more dynamic. And you will start feeling the stretch around the quadriceps also, back quadriceps. For a few seconds, hold. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place the back toes on the floor and the right leg will flow back into the mountain. Once again. Keep pushing the spine in as you try to extend your tailbone towards the ceiling. And from here itself, let's bring our left foot between the palms and stay over here and press the palms against the floor. The shoulders are stacked right above the wrist. And from here itself, let's place the outer part of the back toes on the floor as we engage the back knees also. And keep your gaze on the floor. For 10 seconds, hold. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place the back toes on the floor and the body will go in the palm plank. Let's stay over here for a while and keep your core muscles tight. Your body is in one flat position. And in this position itself, let's start swinging our body back and forth. You are simply swinging your body on your toes and on your palms. It's extremely beneficial for the wrist and for your core. Keep swinging. Swing a bit more. And from here itself, let's bring our right foot outside the right palm. And you may gently relax your back knee on the floor, relax your toes, and place your right palm on the right thigh. So you are taking it out. So you're pushing the right leg away from the body and let your pelvic region open up. So this way the right foot will get tilted on the right side and hold. Very good for the hip opening. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the same position, you may gently grab your left foot and hold over here for a while. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently release the left foot, bring your right leg back to the base position, and in this position, let's rest our elbows on the floor. For a few seconds, stay over here. You will start feeling the stretch around your pelvic region. Beautiful stretch. Keep breathing normally in the pose. No pain, no gain. It's a day 6 already. And from here itself, let's place our palms back onto the floor and the right leg will go back in the palm plank position. And once again, let's start swinging our body back and forth before we transition to the left leg. Keep swinging back and forth. And from here itself, you may gently bring your left foot outside the left palm. Relax your back knee on the floor, relax your toes, and gently place your left palm on the left thigh and push the left leg away from you and hold it over here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay over here and let's hold on to our right ankle for a while, only for 5 seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently release your right leg, bring it back to the center, and let's rest our elbows on the floor. Let your hip muscles open up. You have to do as much as you can. And from here itself, taking the support of your palms, you may lift your body up and the body will flow back in the mountain. In the mountain itself, let's bring our feet close to each other. And you may gently bend the knees and press the spine in. And from here itself, you may do the spinal curve, vertebra by vertebra, and gently come in the upward facing dog. Let's look up and make sure that your thighs are not touching the floor. Keep pushing the lower back and the pelvic region towards the floor, everyone, with a big smile on your face. And from here itself, you may gently drop your knees on the floor as you stretch your arms in front of you. In the same pose, let's go diagonally on the right side. I will demonstrate like this also for your convenience. And let's go on to the left side now and simply rest. And let's take both the palms diagonally on both the sides as you rest your forehead on the floor. And taking the support of your palms, you may come back to Vajrasana. And in Vajrasana itself, let's rest our palms on our thighs. And let's start with a neck movement up and down just a bit, just to relax more and more. With each inhalation, your head has to go up. And with each exhalation, the head will come down. And then left and right. And let's go round and round now. Let's start making gentle rotations from the right side. And from left to right. And let's gently come back to the center. So this was the day 6. So tomorrow we'll be practicing again. And thank you so much for taking out time to actually practicing yoga in 3, 2, 1. So this was day 6, and tomorrow again we'll be practicing together. It's a 7 days long yoga journey. So we'll get to practice yoga together tomorrow as well. And thank you once again for taking out the time. And if you are giving yourself, your body, mind, the topmost priority, hats off to you. And I would request everyone to just subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please do leave the comments in the comment section below if you have any questions. And in fact, we have got the online 200 hours online yoga teachers training program, which is happening from January 14th onwards. So if you want to become a certified yoga teacher from your home itself, you can become one now. So the link is in the bio. Yeah, it is in the section below our YouTube video. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we hope to see you tomorrow. Yes, it's a day 7. So till then, you all just take care, keep smiling, and have an incredible day, everyone. Thank you so much. Namaste.